I shook the video because it's too much. Mommy has now meowed and licked baby, and baby might be following me if mommy follows me, but mommy is also quite exhausted, so that might not. Yes, yes, yes. We are having a track now. Yes, we have a track. Ma, ma. Yes. Kitten is following the. Come here, Nibbler. Huh? Ma. You cannot go too far at once. Come here. Yeah. Jumpy. Jumpy little nibbler. Come here. Me is patient. I'm not so much, but I have to. Come, say something. Help me. Come here. Can you please do the same noises that I make? Like meow, 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 meow. Can you please help me with this? Not just eat grass to vomit. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, sneak up on your mommy because she is definitely not gonna notice you. Because she couldn't care less about your position. Ow. That's back in the back. Licking and going away. That's nice. That's gonna work. No, don't play with everything that is on the side. Please. It's a forest. It's full of playthings for you. Hey! I know your mommy has licked some grass and the grass is smelling like your mommy. But yeah, she's calling out. Yeah, and your mommy possibly scratched this and it smells like your mommy or grandma. Or like my feet because I scratched it. This is gonna take forever. This is gonna be some long videos today. Yeah, I feel the frustration. I totally feel it. But your baby is off track now. That's not good. Hey! No! Not the right way. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you need to follow the path. It's easy. Come on. You know this. You've done this 2 times already. Meow. No. Wrong way. Yeah. 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 Come to mommy and mommy comes to me and then you come to mommy again. No. Not up the tree. No. There's nothing on this tree for you. Oh God, no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now you are breaking the climbing record. Now you are. Are you fucking kidding me? Now you're climbing higher than 1 meter? Yeah, mommy cannot even. Yeah, you have to learn to climb backwards. That would be nice. Mommy, do not go this way. No. Meow. Okay, this is hopeless. Come here. Yeah, you wanna ride mommy's back? And come here. Hop, hop, hop. Meow. Meow. Come here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come here. Yeah. Mommy is tired. You are not tired. You are super jumpy right now. I know it. You have the strength to climb 1 meter. You have the strength to walk here. Hey! Hey! Huh! Now! I have to grab his attention by barking. That's where we arrived. Yeah, you keep licking your paw. This is going to be a long journey. Yeah. You keep scratching everything that you. No, don't play with the stick in the way. Mommy, do not show him where he can climb up, because he will climb up. What did I tell you? Baby's gonna climb what he can climb. Oh my god. He is now above my head, standing. Are you good? You will fall and hurt yourself. Are you good? Climbed enough? Good boy, you can climb. That's a nice skill to have. Did you learn that in the hedge today? Oh my fucking god. Can you please, before sunset, before complete darkness? Meow. I will shake this. I will shake this. I will shake the tree. Come here. I will shake it more. I will make you fall. If you don't come down. Oh my god, he's climbing higher up. Are you insane? Yeah. Well, you have to now learn to get your baby down a tree that he doesn't want to climb down again. Come here. Yeah, good boy. You can climb up, you can climb down. It's that easy. Now he gets his climbing flash. I don't fucking believe it. Mommy, you know the direction. Don't go back and forth. We cannot have any of that. Come here. Meow. You will not go up there again. Oh my god. He had to it with his dear life. Are you scared in the dark? I do not care. I do not care. You get down here. I have had it with your climbings for today. Meow. Before you hurt yourself. Come here. Yeah. Mommy is also have had it. Come on, as soon as we reach the grass, don't show him another tree that he can climb on. Where are you? Where's the baby? Oh my god, I lost him. Meow. Oh my god, Mommy is also in climbing wood. You lost the baby? You lost the baby. Did you run back? Oh no, he's climbing the same tree again. Okay. Mommy, if this was lesson about climbing, good job. Useful. Very useful. I don't think this was intended of you. Hey you. Are you okay? Are you good up there? This tree is very easily breaking. Yeah. This fell 1 year ago through the way. Come here. Stay here. Please. You will learn that up is not our direction for today. Come on. I have had it with you. I have absolutely had it with you. Up here. No, you will not climb another tree. I have absolutely... I'm carrying you with one arm. Yeah. I have had it with you. Come here. We don't have time for this. Yeah. Horizontal tree climbing, very good. That's fun. I made this catwalk out of logs. It was like 5 days of carrying logs without... Can you please not go back? Meow. Wrong direction. Do I have to teach you to be scared? Yeah. Now I feel like monsters eat monsters that are very inefficient. He does not fear anything I do. Good job, Ollie. Good job. Yeah, come on. You can get him here. I tried my best to scare him. He didn't even blink. He didn't even fucking blink. He is not afraid of any scary loud noises that I make close to him suddenly. I cannot jump scare him. I cannot jump scare him. Meow. 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 Mommy, you are off track. Oh no, he found another tree to climb on. No. and it's full of ivy. That's not good. I'm not super allergic to ivy, but no. What the fuck? Oh no. He has climbed horizontally. He's climbed vertically 1.80 m high. Are you insane? Can you climb down again? Yeah, kinda. That was almost perfect. 1.80 m climb up. I'm so glad that I did this today. This was a patience run. He can climb up a tree very high. That means if he's ever in big danger, he can possibly climb higher. Hey, you! Come here! Hey! Oh! Meow! Come here! Yeah. I stepped on something and thought it was mommy, but no. It was not mommy. Meow! Come here! Yeah, you are too optimistic. Yeah, even I was. You found another tree. Can you do 3 meters now? Yeah, lick him. Yeah, of course he's trying to climb it. Decides not to. Thank you. This tree doesn't seem to be as good to climb. Meow! Come on, we go to very good trees to climb. Meow! Come here. Come here. Hey! Finally reached the grass. Took us twice as long as our longest time before, because somebody keeps climbing trees, even though I carry him away from trees. Hey you over there, come here. Yes, we reached the big open, and he's having an identity crisis. He prefers trees now. Yeah, no trees to climb here, my little one. That means we may go normal pace. Of course he doesn't leave the forest because he loves the forest now. Hey! Meow! You! Come here! Meow! Meow, meow, meow! Come here! Come here! Meow! Your mommy and I are waiting for so long. Could you please? Could you please? Hey you! I have a long goodbye ceremony and not much time for this nonsense. Come on! Here! Meow! Come here! He doesn't want to leave the tree in the forest now. He loves the forest now. Meow! 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 Come on, great adventures await you beyond this barrier. Meow! Meow! Your mommy waits for you. Come here. Come here. Meow! Meow! It's getting dark. That's scary to him. He was never outside at the dark. Meow! 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 Yeah, no trees here. Come here. We go where trees are. Meow! I know you're scared because there are no trees here. There's no hiding. Hey you! Don't hide from me. We are not playing hide and seek now. He's playing hide and seek in the grass. Wait. Meow! Come here! Meow! Come here! You have to learn this way, even in the darkness. Meow! 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 Come here! Jesus Christ. I thought the grass would be faster, but not in the fucking darkness. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Now we do a slight bump. A slight bump? A little bump? A little bump? A little bump? Bumpy bump? Come here. No hiding. Yeah, mommy is falling asleep in the grass. Come here. Wrong direction. One more step in the wrong direction, I carry you. Okay, that's it. That's it. You're hunting some small bugs? Not today. Not today. I know it's fun for you, but I have you in my paws now. The tall grass. You are not hunting all the bugs that come out at dawn. No, no, no. I know this is very interesting for you, but we are not hunting bugs at dawn right now. Okay? Okay? Look at the phone display. There's a lot of grass. Yeah. You hear your mommy. You want to play with me and you don't want to be held like this. I do not care. You are safe. You are being held safe. And I am running out of time with your little antics. You will run in this short